Good morning, my children, and welcome to your English class. Today, my children, we're going to continue with the review of the numbers because remember, we are almost at the finish line, in this case, the number 10. So in order to see and learn and practice the number 10, we have to review and remember the previous numbers, all of them, okay? So for today, we're going to make two activities. The activity that you have to perform in your textbook and another activity that is part of the class, okay? So let's start. Remember, the first number that we started was number 1, and the shape of number 1 is like a soldier, well stand. The number 2 is like a duck. Remember a duck, it's an animal of the farm, color yellow and make noises like quack, 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 quack. That's the duck. The number 3, remember, is like a snake, very dangerous snake, an animal that lives in a desert, that is all covered with the sun, okay? The number 4 is the chair. In this case, the chair is an object that we use to sit down, okay? The number 5, remember, is a number that likes to eat a lot, so that's why it has a big belly and a big stomach, okay? The number 6, don't forget that is again like a fruit, in this case like a cherry, a very small cherry colored red. The number 7, remember, is a number that is always sleepy and it's always inclined. The number 8, remember, is the number that looks like Olaf. Remember, Olaf is a snowman, 2 circles, one up and one down. And the last number, and number 9, which is the balloon. Don't forget, the balloons, all balloons that are full of air contain a string, un hilo, so you can grab it, because if you don't grab it, bye-bye balloon, okay? So, the last numbers that appear on your textbook, I'm going to show you the page. The page is right here. The last 3 numbers of the activities are right here, which is number 7, number 8, and number 9, okay? So once again, this activity, I put it right here on my whiteboard so you can see how I want the activity to be done, okay? Remember, for these activities, it's very important that you grab a pencil, okay? If you want to work with a color or with a crayon, there is no problem, but I prefer if you use a pencil, okay? So once again, once you have your pencil, grab it correctly, let's start. Very important, while you are tracing, don't forget to repeat the name of the number so you can remember it faster. Number 7. Okay, after you trace all number 7s, you continue with the number 8. Number 8. After you finish with all number 8s, you continue with the number 9. Number 9. Excellent, okay? And that's the work for today. This work, don't forget, that appears right here on your textbook. The second activity of today, my children, is something that is going to be very fun, very, very interesting. So here on the whiteboard, my children, I am going to write all numbers from number 1 to number 9, but I'm going to put them in disorder, not in order. In order means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. I'm going to put them in disorder, okay? For example, instead of beginning with number 1, I'm going to start with number 8. And the next number, let's see, number 5. Let's continue with this. Then this number, this one, the one that looks like a chair, the cherry, and the balloon. Okay, now the activity, my children, consists in that I am going to tell you a number and you have to help the teacher find that number, okay? You are going to help me. So let's put attention so you can see the numbers and you help the teacher, okay? Very good, let's start. Now, Once we have found the number, we're going to circle it with color green, okay? Now, the first number that I want to find is number 6, okay? Remember, the number 6 looks like a cherry. So let's look for number 6. Number 6, it's right here. I found it, so I circle it. Excellent. Let's continue with the number 8. Now, do you remember what's the shape or form of number 8? Number 8, like Olaf. So let's look for it. Right here. We circle it. Let's continue with the number 4. Remember, the number 4 is the chair upside down. Number 4, where is it? Where is number 4? Right here. So we circle it. Number 4, excellent. Let's continue with the number 7. Remember, the number 7 is a number that likes to eat. That likes to sleep, okay? So remember, because the number 7 is sleeping, we have to be quiet. Don't make too much noise. Number 7, number 7. Right here. We circle it. Number 5. Remember number 5? The number with the big stomach. Where is it? Right here? No. Right here. Okay? We circle it. What about number 3? The snake. Where is number 3? Right here? No. I see it. It's right here. Okay? We circle it. Okay? We're almost finished. Number 9. Okay, remember number 9 looks like a balloon. Well, number 9, where is it? I see it. It's right here. So we circle it. Number 1. Where is number 1? The one that looks like a soldier. Where is it? Right here. Okay, I got it. I circle it. And we are missing one more. Number 2, the duck. Where is it? Okay, we circle it, all of this. I see the duck. The number 2 right here. Okay, excellent. You did an excellent job because you helped the teacher locate all the numbers that I needed. Okay, very good, my children. So that's it for today. Don't forget to do the activities of your teddy book. It's very important. Don't forget also to practice and remember the numbers, all the numbers we have seen. And if you want to do this type of exercise, you can ask your mother or your father to help you drawing the numbers in this order so you can locate them. Okay, this activity is good for you, and I hope you continue practicing. Okay, very good. So as always, don't forget that the teacher loves you very much. Take care and goodbye.